So I'm fresh back from National Trial Lawyers. Came back from Miami, Florida. We were there for about 4 or 5 days. We were one of the sponsors of that show. We do it every year. And so, quick story: I'm sitting at the Golden Gavel Awards with one of our clients who ended up winning one of the Golden Gavels. And there's four women that are actually sitting at the table with us, and one of the ladies sees that I put my name badge down, and she says, "Are you Jason Hennessey?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And they're like, "Oh my God, like you're kind of like a celebrity to us." And I'm like, "What?" They're like, "Yeah, we work at the marketing department of a law firm, and the owner of our firm basically makes us, everyone that works in the marketing department, makes everyone read your book as a prerequisite to kind of getting a job at his firm." And I'm like, "What?" I'm like, wow. So like, I guess in hindsight, I guess when I wrote this book, I didn't think that, that these lawyers would basically use it to train like their entire staff. But I was truly honored.